World financial markets about to open in uh, trading tomorrow, 18th of May. One of the things that comes to my radar is that the Iran is expected to reopen its stock market Tuesday after 80 days of closure. So they must be seeing some signs of sanity in opening their financial markets. Another important news is that Japan's 30-year yield has crossed 4% for the first time ever. United States 30-year bond yield has hit 5.12%, its highest since 2007. When combined together, it's not a very happy scenario. You see, the Bank of Australia has raised interest rates after a very long time. So that's also not a very happy thing that we can read. Another thing is that China's real estate has market has plunged to a 20-year low, wiping out nearly 25% of its value. It's been dropping for quite some time actually, but this is something which comes on the horizon that it is continues to fall and is a sore point for the Chinese economy. For the last 4 years, it has been continuously coming down. So, Chinese real estate market in trouble is also not presenting a very good scenario. As far as India stock market is concerned, you're seeing the rupee at an all-time low. It's crossed 96 rupees a dollar and it's edging towards the psychological level of 100 rupees to a dollar. So that's also not very good scenario from India point of view. And being the fastest growing economy in the world itself doesn't help much. It's now come down to the sixth largest economy in the world behind Germany, Japan, and the United Kingdom. And ahead of it is also, of course, the United States, China. Then you have Germany, Japan, and the United Kingdom. So, five countries ahead of it, it's slipped a little bit. So, it may be growing at a very fast rate, but the total base, the gross domestic product of India is definitely not of the extent that these other countries have. So it's also come down. Gross domestic product is the sum total of the goods and services produced in the country, and all this is getting now subject to the energy crisis in West Asia. So the economy is, which has been showing great amount of resilience, is suddenly folding up to the rising West Asian crisis. In this scenario, we are beginning this week of the May 18. I would say it's a very important week for the markets. It may look uh, at the outset to be a week where, although President Trump could not get much guarantees from China regarding the Iran war and how China can actually help in bringing this war to a conclusion, yet I believe that there is still some hope. I believe that this war may China may work behind the. I think there is some sort of a formula America and which is not coming on the surface have worked out, and it may eventually turn out to be much brighter than most people think. But for the time being, there will be more pain that will be visible in the world financial markets this week also. But I think once the real picture starts emerging about China's role, you will start seeing things brighten up, at least for a certain period of time. Anyway, this forthcoming week may look okay to begin with, but there is some more pain left in the world financial markets which will begin to appear. Be careful in your investments, very cautious. Going to be a very tricky week. To get to know more in detail about the US markets, do join our Prime Plus Telegram groups by WhatsApping us on 732-732-2720. For the Indian markets, you can join any of our groups like the Daily Prediction Group or the 1 Week in Advance Predictions. We also carries good stock options, good and index options like Nifty options, Bank Nifty options. And we also have a commodities group which covers commodities like gold, silver, copper, aluminium. And all you can do all this by WhatsApping us on 98208611044. Have a great investing week ahead. Take care. Bye bye.